Okay, so when we open the page, as I said, you can see that I've prepped the pages somewhat, used up paint, and then I went in and created an image. So we'll have a little flip through and you can see what's on some of the pages. Speak your truth, tell your story. It's probably the H came off here. We've got some washi tape butterflies. So all the pages are made from card, and I've just joined them in the middle with masking tape. So we've got some more pages that are temporarily done. This one is nearing finish. I think there's only a few more things that I want to do here, but again, and I like it. But again, it's something that you can come back to. You don't feel that you have to finish the pages. You can come back refreshed. You can experiment. That's what your journals are there for. And sometimes the pages will spark ideas for you, and will get you thinking about even maybe, say, like when I'm looking at this, I'm thinking, oh, that would be nice to work on for a painting on canvas. So all the pages have been prepped with gesso, just a fine layer of gesso, and as you see, more experimenting. I found these, well, I brought a jigsaw. It was a kid's jigsaw, but these are nice to put words on. But they're glossy on this side, so the alternative is to either take off the layer, either to take off that layer or just use sandpaper and sand it down, and then you can paint on them. I've got another page here. And some of the pages have got a, it's a thin paper covering them, and then the masking tape down the middle. So here's some pages just waiting to be prepped. But that's this journal. So what I will be doing is showing you how I prep some of the pages, or maybe even work on one of the pages and do a feature. But that's this journal. I hope you like it, and I hope you consider making one of your own. This is again Brad's. I've got a big container of Brad's that I brought, and I've had for many years, and it's just like, okay, we need to be used now. So it's nice putting them on projects like this. Yeah, using up your buttons, button stash, glitter. Okay, I hope you've found that interesting and inspiring, and look forward to seeing what you make.